Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Laura. I'm doing another review. Sorry guys, this is just a bit of a lengthy video, but stick with me. I'm reviewing all the features on this product for you. And who cares what I have to say about anything? You're exactly right. Who cares? If you don't care, then don't watch it. I'm reviewing this for someone who does care. If you don't, that's cool. No hard feelings. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the Reacher R2 white noise machine, and I absolutely love it. It's the best. I cannot sleep if I don't have some noise. And my mom has to have a fan, so I bought one for her, and she loves it too. So this is what it looks like. It's this little tiny machine here, and it doesn't have like a power button, so you have to have it charged. You plug it into your wall and it works. And then here is a port for headphones. So if you want to listen to it and not have your partner listening to it, you can just plug that in there. But you plug it in, and this is the on button. Turn it on. It's got a little book here. It tells you what every single button does, the features that it has, what every single noise is. It's a really nice book. But the first thing is this one up here. It's the timer. Sorry, my nails are dirty. The timer, there's a 1 hour, a 2 hour, and a 3 hour timer. Push this button once. It goes to the 2 hour, another time, 3 hour, another time. It's no timer, so this will play all night long until you get up and turn it off. I keep it on the 2 or 3 hour. Okay, this middle one here is the light. Turns the light on. If you push it once, it will fade in and out. See how it gets brighter, and then it gets dimmer, and it goes out? Give it a second. Okay, then you push that same button, this little sun button again, and it will go off. No light. You push it again, and the light will stay on completely all night long. Well, until your timer runs out. And then this color, this little one with a 3, the multi button here, it changes your colors. So there's red. I don't know why my camera's flashing yellow. There's this like yellow green. Boy, that looks completely different on the camera than it does in real life. This is more like a yellow color. This is more of a white color. And there's this on my phone, it looks pretty teal, but this is like a bright neon green. Then this looks purple on the camera, but it's actually a really pretty blue. This one's like a pretty purple, and it's pretty purple on the screen there. This one's a hot pink. That looks about right. This one is a white. That looks about right. It's a red again. See if we can get it to look right on the camera. Nope, not quite. Some of those colors just aren't showing up, okay? You just keep pushing it if you don't want the light until it goes off. Because I don't like a light at night. I think it keeps me awake. Oh, wait a minute. You don't push this button. Sorry, duh, guys. You push the light button until it goes off. There we go. Then the next feature is this little fan. This will make fan noises. Different sounds of different fans. Each time you push it, it changes. And that little bing noise at the end means you've reached your limit. Hold on a second. Let me try this down. You reached your limit of options for this button. Then this little music one is the different sounds you can have. Let me turn my light back off here. The different sounds you can have. I'll turn it up for the sounds. This is a thunderstorm. This is like wind blowing. That's crackling fire. water dripping. I guess if you want to torture someone with the sound of water dripping. A clock ticking. Waves crashing. A brook, like water flowing through a stream, a brook there. Train tracks. And then that sound means that's the end, but we're going to start back over at the beginning. There's a lullaby. Another lullaby. Yeah, that's someone saying shh over and over. That's weird. And then that's like the sound that a baby hears inside mommy's tummy. A heartbeat. The sound of the forest or birds chirping and nature. Crickets. That's just rain, plain rain. And then back to my favorite, the thunderstorm. Now this other button here is white noise. You can change different frequencies of white noise. And then that's the end of that. I'm going to put it back on the music, the thunderstorm, because that's my favorite one. And this button is volume up and volume down. So if it gets pretty loud, that means it's maximum loudness. And then all the way down to almost nothing. So yeah, this is the review of this object, this product, guys. Reacher white noise machine. It's amazing. I think it was like 20 bucks. It's amazing. I love this thing. I think I got it on Amazon. I sleep with it every night. So yeah, there's that. And this is the box. I love it. I sleep with it every single night. It's my favorite thing to do. My favorite thing to listen to at night. I love it. So thanks for watching. Bye.